Hi guys! Today we're speaking about a power supply which has a touch screen and possibility of connecting two devices for tattoo and permanent makeup just for $36. Its name is Aurora II. Is it good? Let's look with you. My name is Olga Yakovleva. I am permanent makeup artist, trainer, cosmetologist and tattoo artist. All information in the video is a subjective opinion of the author, so please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. Power supply Aurora is not from the company Dragonhawk. If you shop it's not right. In the internet don't have any information about manufacturer, only that Aurora II is from Chinese company. So let's talk about the box. From the outside it's a black box with its name and images. That's all. I'm seeing an instruction is in English. Power adapter. This is a power supply Aurora II. It has a nice glossy surface. It's plastic. Power supply has a transparent safety film. Touch screen and screen for looking working voltage. We can connect two tattoo machines and tattoo pedal. I will talk more about Aurora II, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I will tell you very interesting information and share relevant content with you. Power supply's weight is about 200 grams. The Aurora II has a maximum output voltage of 17 volts and current strength is about 3 amperes. The convenient adjustment of output voltage with touch screen, plus and minus icons. Power supply has a voltage indicator that changes color according to the selected voltage. Magnets allow these devices to be used on a variety of surfaces. Let's turn on it and I will show how we can work with two machines simultaneously. If you want to better understand equipment and techniques to improve your professional level in permanent makeup or getting new profession permanent makeup artist, I am waiting for you on my online courses in English and Russian. I will show and talk simple about the most difficult. I will leave link on my Instagram in video description. I'm taking tattoo machine Mass-Made and Rocket 2. Aurora has two operating modes. First operating mode is work with two machines, left or right. With voltage memory when switching to left or right machine. Second operating mode is work with one machine and the connected pedal. You must put here and wait. You see 1, 0. You can press the central button to start continuous mode and work without the pedal. This function also works in the first and second operating mode. If you want to work with two machines again, you must put here and also wait. You see 1, 1. Let's sum up our video review. Aurora II is from Chinese company. The power supply has a voltage indicator that changes color according to the selected voltage. Aurora II works with tattoo pedal and without it. Magnets allow this device to be used on a variety of surfaces. I prefer to use a Puget power supply only with a Puget tattoo machine. This power supply is easy to operate, control, and it works with tattoo machine simultaneously with voltage memory when switching to left or right machine. I will leave links where you can buy this device from video description. I will be happy for your support, understanding and likes. Subscribe to the channel, leave comments and support us. I wish you beautiful works. See you later.